Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. My name is Dr. Shoktipada Shit, Principal, Susti Electro-Homeopathic Medical College and Institute, Pantai, Purbo Medinipur, West Bengal. Now I want to discuss about systematically about electro-homeopathic materia medica. Today I want to discuss about compound medicine of electro-homeopathic medicine or remedy. Now I want to discuss cancerous group of remedy. We know total medicine of cancerous group are 17. Out of 17 medicine, 10 medicines are original, and out of 17 medicine, 7 medicines are compound or complex medicine. Today I want to discuss about compound medicines of cancerous group systematically. I want to discuss cancerous 7, which is the compound medicine of cancerous group of remedy. Cancerous 7 is the compound medicine of original medicine of angiotensin 2 and original medicine of angiotensin 2 and original medicine of cancerous 5 or C5 in the ratio of 1:2. That means one part taken from angiotensin 2 and 2 parts taken from cancerous 5. Then it is formed cancerous 7 of compound medicine. Chief of action of cancerous, chief of action means main action on on those systems of human bodies. That means chief of action of cardiovascular system. Number 1, cardiovascular system, and number 2, cell and tissue. Cardiovascular system means cardio means heart, vascular means blood vessels. Now field of action, F for field, A for action. Field of action অর্থাৎ which organs cancerous 7 acts on which organs. Number 1, cell, tissue, blood vessels, ব্লাড ভেসেলস, ব্লাড ভেসেলসের মধ্যে আউট অফ ব্লাড ভেসেলস ব্লাড সেল দ্যাট মিনস ব্লাড সেল এর উপরে কাজ করছে। অ্যান্ড হার্ট হ্যাঁ, অ্যান্ড অলসো লিভার, প্লাজমা, ভেন্স, লিভার, প্লাজমা, হ্যাঁ, তারপর অ্যান্ড ভেন্স, etc. Action means cancer also 7 which organs acts on the of cancer also 7. Action number one it acts builds the tissue and healing the ulcer very quickly, builds the tissue healing the ulcers very quickly, number one. Number two, it acts upon the vein system. It acts upon the vein system or venous system, prevents the degeneration, protects degeneration means protection of venous system, tissue and cell. Number three, it acts on mixed temperament person. It acts on the mixed temperament person. It acts on the mixed temperament person. Medicinal properties. That means qualities of medicine. Medicinal properties. Which qualities of medicines are present in cancer so 7 of medicines. Number one, anti-cancer. Anti-cancers. That means it is a drug. It is a drug that cures cancer or ulcer. Anti-cancer means it is a drug which acts on cancer or ulcer. Number two, anti-scrofulous. Stropulus. Anti-stropulus means it is a drug which acts on the stropulus gland of our human beings. Right? It is a drug which acts on stropulus gland of human beings. Number 3, anti-rheumatic. Anti-rheumatic. It is a drug which acts on rheumatism and joint pains. Nervine. Number 4, nervine. Nervine means it is a drug that acts upon the nerves. Number 5, astringent. Astringent means it is a drug agent producing the contracting of organic tissues or arrest the discharge. It is an agent producing contracting of organic tissues or arrest the discharge. Number 6, resolvent. Resolvent means a drug which causes solution of tissue. It is a drug which causes solutions of tissues. Now I want to discuss about the functions of Canceroso 7. Functions of Canceroso 7. It is a specific for venous system and used for all types of inflammation with cyanosis or passive congestion. It is very useful for the degenerative tissues of ulcers, wounds, necrosis and gangrene. That means degeneration of tissue and venous system, cell and tissue and venous system. It is used for varicose ulcers, which appears as a complication of varicose ulcer. Which appears as a complication of varicosity of veins, phlebitis, hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids means bleeding or non-bleeding piles, chronic congestion of blood, deformity of the right side of the heart, A2, J2, because A2 is present in this composition, so it acts on right side of the heart. Purulent destruction of the tissues with chronic inflammatory symptoms, venous hemorrhage and purulency. Cancerous or non-cancerous indurations and wounds. Now I want to discuss disease indication of Canceroso 7. Disease indication of Canceroso 7. That means Canceroso 7 acts on which diseases. Which diseases? Number 1, varicose vein. Number 2, hemorrhoids. That means bleeding or non-bleeding piles. Chronic congestion of the blood. Number 3, chronic congestion of blood, ulcer, wounds, ulcers, wounds, cancer, pleurisy, that means pleural effusion in the pleural cavity. TB, that means tuberculosis, gonorrhea, venous hemorrhages, etc. Venous hemorrhages, etc. External use. Cancer also 7 acts externally very nicely. That means it acts as compress, baths, lotion, ointment, and it should be used in cases of wounds, ulcers, injury, cancers, varicose veins, and hemorrhoids. Externally, it acts on wounds, ulcers, injury, cancers, varicose veins, and hemorrhoids. As compress and baths, lotion or ointments. Thank you very much to all.